Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners, but today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can delete your account on investing.com. To do so, if you go on to investing.com app and open it up, you'll be on the coins page. From here, go on to the more option right here on the bottom of the screen. And after that, if you go on to settings, you can see these options, but below app version there is no option for delete account because deleting account option has been removed from the app. So now you are only able to sign out of your app and not delete it fully. This is a feature that was much needed because if you are not going to use the account, you could have just deleted it, but now you are just able to sign out. Click on sign out and then click on yes, and now you are able to sign out of your investing.com account. This was for this video, and that is how you can try to delete your account but are not able because it is just removed from investing.com app. I hope you guys find the information of our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.